Hello everybody, I'm super duper excited. I just got this in the mail from Amazon Prime. As you can see, it's already been opened, but I retaped it so I can show you guys the unboxing. The package and unboxing the box. Okay, see you in a second. I'm back. I'm holding this camera by hand, so I had to pause it to get this knife. I realized that you guys can't comment because I put this under child videos, and for child safety they made it so you can't comment. I won't open the box, but I'm just going to pause it while I cut the tape. Got all the tape cut, and now we're going to unbox. Ooh, I've been waiting for this for so long. I am so excited. Holy crap. Get out of the way, box. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. This is what you see in the TV commercials, people. Each sold separately full Jurassic World Dominion therizinosaurus kit. Oh, this is so exciting. Be right back, guys. I'll be right back, I promise. Here we have it, folks. We have our mask, the Jurassic World Dominion therizinosaurus label on it, then the two therizinosaurus claws, Jurassic World Dominion. I'll unbox these up, get them out of these tabs and stuff, and I'll be right back. Here we have it, folks. Our knife, our 3 zip ties, our paper, our claw mat package, this package. And if you guys are questioning, I know you can't comment, and I'm kind of sorry for that. Everything's plastic on these, but the claws are rubber. There's a little rubber right here for comfort in this hole. Like that. Remember, if you've seen the movie, the Tyrannosaurus just sneaks up on deer, kills it. Not sure if you guys have seen that movie, but it is awesome. Better than they say in the trailers. Well, I'm going to call that for today, guys. Bye. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Bye.